Few days ago, a parkour enthusiast caught the public's eyes over two short videos, where he jumped onto a narrow panel next to a 3-story escalator and slid all the way down at the MTR station. Let's check it out.
At first, let's take a look at these two videos. That's so dangerous. The videos posted to Instagram, filmed at Nam Chung MTR station, saw Quan Wing Tai jump onto the panel and reach the ground safely after the slide, before he started freerunning again.
MTR said they do not know when the videos were recorded. They have not received related reports from the train station, but have filed a report to the police. MTR also reminded passengers not to perform dangerous or disruptive acts to ensure safety.
He said he respects MTR's decision to inform the police and understands public concerns. He added that parkour is as natural as breathing to him, and believes the movements wouldn't pose any danger to him.
But the point is you might pose danger to others. How's about you? What do you think about parkour?